Awning Windows Lexington is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles Lexington offers, you can find the perfect match for your home. Awning window contractors in Lexington are skilled in providing top-notch services, ensuring your windows are installed with precision and care. Energy-efficient awning windows Lexington are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Awning window experts Lexington can guide you in selecting the best energy-efficient options for your needs. Custom awning windows. Lexington allow homeowners to personalize their window designs to match their unique style preferences. Whether you prefer vinyl awning windows Lexington or aluminum awning windows Lexington, there are numerous options available to suit your taste and budget. Awning window suppliers. Lexington offer a wide range of materials and designs to choose from. Awning window replacement. Lexington is essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular awning window maintenance. Lexington can prevent costly replacements and ensure your windows remain in optimal condition. Awning window solutions. Lexington include everything from minor replacements to complete replacements. Awning window replacement. Lexington is a great way to upgrade your home's appearance and functionality. With various awning window sizes Lexington available, you can find the perfect fit for any room. Awning window quotes. Lexington can help you budget for your project and find the best deals. Awning window benefits. Lexington include improved ventilation, natural light, and enhanced curb appeal. These windows are designed to open outward, allowing fresh air to circulate while keeping rain out. Awning window features Lexington also include durable hardware and easy-to-clean rings. Awning window designs. Lexington offer a range of options to suit any architectural style. From traditional to modern, there are awning window styles Lexington to complement your home's exterior. Awning window glass options. Lexington include clear, tinted, and frosted glass, providing privacy and energy efficiency. Awning window hardware. Lexington is built to last, ensuring your windows operate smoothly for years to come. High-quality materials and craftsmanship are hallmarks of the best awning window brands. Awning window materials. Lexington include durable options like vinyl and aluminum, known for their longevity and low maintenance. Awning windows Lexington upgrades can enhance your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're looking to replace old windows or install new ones, awning window contractors Lexington can provide expert advice and installation services. Awning window experts. Lexington are dedicated to helping you find the perfect windows for your home.